Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy back with another video. Today we will be installing a oil catch can, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is what the parts came with the kit that I got. It came with this blue hose, and it wasn't enough for me, so I had to go to my auto parts store and get this other hose. The size is 3/8 by the way, and it's about like 2 feet or so. Also too, I will be upgrading the lines later on, so this is just like kind of a test fit and see how it goes. Also too, I didn't really like the catch can that it came with because I can't really open it at all. Like, I can't open it at all. It just has this little drain plug down here to drain the oil, and there's like no filter in there or nothing at all. So that was kind of a bummer, but it's okay. I'm still gonna use it, see how it goes, see how it works, and see if it's even worth investing into a better oil catch can. Also too, so this was gonna be the adapter for the hose to go to the other hose, and they sent me this adapter. It's supposed to look like this. It's open, and they sent me one with closed. I contacted them, and they said they can either send me a new one or they can refund me $10 and I could try drilling it myself, but I didn't want to go ahead and do that. I just wanted to send me the money, and I just went to my local auto parts store and I got these fuel line inverters, and yeah, this should work. So I just went to my local auto parts store, but if you get the kit, you should be able to get that. Or if you want to make your own kit, you just go down to the auto parts store and grab some of these. Also came with the hardware that you will need for the brackets, and the brackets themselves, the clamp to use with that bracket, and these clamp for the hoses. I went ahead and just got some extra ones just in case. And yeah, that's pretty much all that you will need. These are the tools that you will be needing for this installation today. You will just be needing a 3/8 ratchet, and you will only be needing the 19mm wrench and the 16mm wrench only if you got the same adapters that I did. But if you didn't, then don't even worry about this. I also used a 10mm wrench, clip puller. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. And also, if you have a little pocket screwdriver, that will help a lot trying to tighten those clamps for the hoses. You will also be needing a 7mm socket, a 10mm socket, some 3/8 extensions, some scissors or anything to cut your pipe with. Also, you will be needing some pliers and some thread seal. Alright guys, so this is how it's kind of set up to mount. The clamp just goes around the oil catch can, and you put the round bracket right here, and that's how it clamps on. And you just tighten this, and this should clamp on there right there. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is pop your hood. Alright guys, so once you guys got that popped open, you're going to want to go over here and open it right up. Because after you pop your hood and open it, you're going to want to see where you're going to mount your oil catch can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to mount it right here where it is. I think it's going to look really clean just sitting there. And I'm pretty much going to, so I put the other bracket, I stacked it like that with the one nut and bolt, and I'm going to nut zert it on the plastic right here. So I'm going to drill a hole in the plastic and I'm going to nut zert it. If you guys don't know what that is, you will find out shortly. So I marked with the Sharpie where I'm going to drill my holes. So after that, I'm pretty much just going to remove the panels with just these two. With your clip puller, just grab on the clips like that, pull it up, and they should be out like that. Or if you have these different kinds, you just push this down and it should just come out pretty easily. Alright guys, so this is pretty much a nut zert. It's pretty much a rivet, I guess. So you pretty much put it in the hole you're working with. So you're pretty much going to put it in the hole, and you're going to grab the tool you use. So this is the tool. that you use, you pretty much put it in there, and once you get it in there, you squeeze on the handles down. It's pretty much gonna expand like these little rivets, and it's gonna hold it in place. So you're able to, like on this one that I did earlier, I squeezed it a little too hard and it kind of dented the plastic a little bit, but it's all good. And as you can see guys there, it expanded itself into the plastic, and yeah, it's pretty much not gonna go anywhere. And that's pretty much how the nutzer works. Now you pretty much just put your bolt in there and it's gonna stay in place, so you're not gonna need a nut to put in the back or anything. And it's pretty cool.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call 911.
So there you go. That's pretty much how you nutzered it. Sorry if you guys couldn't really see. It's because it's kind of hard to have this like a little space, and it's like kind of hard to record. But yeah, pretty much just pull this down, and it turns this to get it in, and then you pretty much squeeze the handles down, and it's gonna fit it right in there. So if you guys are interested in my nutzer or rivet tool set, this is what it is. It's called a Rex Betty, and it was like $50 on Amazon. I mean, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's not that expensive either, and it comes with all the stuff you will need. It also comes with the nutzers. Goes through M5 through M10, as you can see. Also the 5/16s through 18, 10 through 24, and a quarter through 20. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this, I'll have a link down below. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty clean. I mean, look at that. It looks pretty good, to be honest. All you're gonna do is I'm just gonna snug these down until they're tight, and yeah, it's pretty much good to go. You got it mounted where you wanted it to be. You're gonna connect your hoses, and you're gonna clamp them down. Just a quick snug will do. And then you're gonna run them all the way down to the PCV valve over there. Right here is the PCV valve, and I just replaced this. I will have a video down below if you guys want to watch it and replace it yourselves. And so right now you're pretty much gonna want to get that clamp and pull it up with some pliers, and you're gonna get that hose up. Alright guys, so after you get the hose out of the PCV, you're pretty much gonna see how much hose you need, and you're gonna cut the excess hose. And sorry if I'm not really recording all of this, because it's kind of hard to record in this little tight dark spot. To adapt the hoses, I will be using the brass one, and I did put some thread sealer on it, you know, just in case. It probably doesn't need it because it's tapered, but you know, better safe than sorry. Alright guys, once you guys cut the hose to where you want it, you want to just put it on the PCV valve and put a clamp on it and just snug it down. And as well, I already went ahead and adapted my adapter to my hose. So that was the hose that the PCB used to be on. So now I put my adapter on there, and now with the other hose that leads to your catch can, you're gonna want to connect it to the adapter right there. Alright guys, so this is pretty much complete. I put the other hose to the adapter and it's good to go. As you can see, I put some zip ties on the hoses too to make it look a little better. Nice, look nice holding down. I will be upgrading the hoses soon too with some steel braided ones because I don't really like how it looks like that. I want to make it look nice and pretty. And also about the catch can, I will most likely be upgrading that sooner too. Well, later in the future. And yeah, so this is pretty much the install. To be honest guys, I did not really like this kit at all. I pretty much had to get mostly all of my parts, to be honest. I didn't really use most of the parts the kit came with. If you want, you guys could just use this as a demonstration of what you guys will need. And you guys will pretty much just need your old catch can. I pretty much used about 4 feet of hose. I mean, this is pretty much about 2 feet. This one's is a little less, I believe. But if you guys just want, just get like 5 foot of hose just to be on the safe side. You guys will also need about 5 clamps, and you will also need the adapter for the hose, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I believe with the catch can you will get, it would pretty much come with the brackets to mount, or you could pretty much make your own brackets. It's not too difficult. But yeah guys, I will probably make a different video about upgrading the hose and the old catch can later on, but I mean, I'll see how this does for now. Alright guys, well, this pretty much sums up the video for the old catch can. I am not happy with it, but I will still leave a link down below on where to get it. I will also leave suggestion parts to make your own kit if you guys are interested in that as well. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. It will really help me a lot. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Negative.